Hello, my name is Mark. I'm a pastor and also a freelancer. I'm planning to use what I've learned today on a daily basis, especially on how I interact with people. And ngayon nalaman ko na yung strength ko at yung sa DISC, yung style ko, I think I can be more effective on how to lead the people as a pastor and also as a freelancer. And knowing my weaknesses is very important because in every day naniniwala ako, we can learn new things and improve araw-araw. So, nung nalaman ko siya, it's an eye-opener na malaman yung kasi wala namang magsasabi sa atin. And with this lesson, nakatulong siya sa akin. Kaya sobrang i-apply ko siya sa akin sa pagpapastor ko at sa pagtatrabaho ko. I would like to encourage everyone then to invest in this kind of lesson kasi hindi mo siya mapupulot sa internet lamang. You need to be here and you need to make a decision to grow kasi yung growth should be intentional and you cannot grow on the same place. Sometimes you need to step out of faith para matuto ka. And with this John Maxwell DSC, marami kang matutunan, walang tapon, uuwi kang busog sa learnings at mamumulat ang iyong mata. Kaya I'd like to encourage everyone, huwag na kayong manghinayang mag-invest para matuto. Ito ay para sa inyo, hindi para sa iba, kundi para sa iyo.